In this video, we're going to learn how to make this classic gingham pattern. And stick around to the end, because I'm going to show you some quick ways that you can alter it too. So let's get right into it. First, you're going to decide what size you want your gingham squares to be. Notice that a gingham is made of all even sized squares. So in this case, I want my pattern to have 1/2 inch squares. So that 1/2 inch size that I just chose is going to be the height of my rectangle. So I'm typing in 1/2 inch or 0.5. And the width of the rectangle is going to be twice that amount. So 1/2 inch times 2 is 1 inch. So now I'm going to hit Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl F to paste in front. And I'm going to right click, select Transform, Rotate. And I'm going to rotate that copy to a 90-degree angle. And now selecting both of these rectangles, I'm going to align them with horizontal align left and vertical align top. And while they're still selected, I'm going to go up to opacity and change the opacity to 50%. And then I'm going to do Ctrl G to group these. And you can see that gingham pattern coming along already. So now we just have to make the background box. And I want to make the background white, but just so that you can see what I'm doing, I'm going to make this in black first and then change it into white. So because my pattern is now 1 inch by 1 inch, I'm going to make that background box also 1 inch by 1 inch. Click OK. So now what I want to do is align the background box and the pattern. So I'm holding Shift to select them both. I'm going to my Align panel and I'm going to choose Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. And then just selecting the background box, I'm going to right click, Arrange, Send to Back. And then I'm going to go ahead and change it to the white ground color that I wanted. So now I'll just drag over this whole thing, drag that pattern into my swatches panel. And we're going to make our test box to test it out. Fill that in. And there we have our classic gingham check. So easy, right? So now quickly, I'll just show you that if you want to change the color of the pattern, you just have to select the 2 colored rectangles, change it to the color that you want, drag the whole thing into the swatches panel. And when we test that out, we have our new colorway. And another way that you can change the color is to select your filled shape, go up to Recolor Artwork. And I'm not going to get into this whole Recolor Artwork tool here. You can watch me explain that on another video that I made previously. I'll make sure to link that up top and in the description below. But real quick, I'll just show you that you can play with these RGB values and change the color of your gingham pattern like this. And if you want to change the scale of the pattern, you can also do that at this point by just right-clicking on your filled shape, choosing Transform Scale, and making sure that only patterns is checked. You can scale it down or scale it up as much as you want. And one more thing that you can do is if you want to change the direction of your gingham, you can right-click, hit Transform, Rotate, and you can try something like maybe a 45-degree angle. Sometimes you'll see gingham patterns on a diagonal like this. So yeah, there's a lot that you can do with your classic gingham. So we're gonna move on to doing our multicolor gingham pattern now, but you'll have to join me on the next video for that. Click the link below, see you there.